Good morning from Rio de Janeiro. It's time to climb that mountain, reach that peak, up close and personal with Jesus Christ. First step, find somebody to bring me up to the top of the mountain. This is unplanned. Quick peek at the beach. Gets much busier later on in the day. I met this gentleman yesterday, so easier than I thought.
Aqui, próximo Cristo.
Ok, sim.
Muy bonito, para sacar fotos.
Sim, ok. Aqui quanto?
150.
Mucho calor.
Hoje. 30 graus hoje.
Amigo, posible un coco? Amigo, uno?
I wait for you here.
Where are you from?
Canada.
35 and a half.
Visa?
Now you have to go in this way, in front of the store,
Yes.
to get the minibus to go up.
I'm excited. Almost time. Jesus, I'm coming for you. I'm finding Jesus, the Redeemer. Jesus, the Redeemer. Now, they started creating this structure April 4th, 1922, and this actually took quite a few years in order to complete. We're approaching the 100th year anniversary. Going up, up, up. Overlooking Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It's created by a Polish-French sculptor, Paul Landowski. Landowski? I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Você pegou o meu Cristo? Você pegou lá?
It's 38 meters high. What I noticed is, I don't know, I had these visions in my mind of what today was going to look like and how grand this structure was going to be. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. And there's a hell of a lot more people than I thought. This is Corona time. This place is packed. I read the reviews, which I don't do too often, and there's a lot of negativity about safety and disorganization. I didn't experience any of that. It was well worth the trip. Never once did I fear being robbed or stolen from. And Brazil has a very big built-up negative aura about it when reading online. Whenever you type something in YouTube, the first thing you're going to see is a pickpocket, a robber, etc. I found the people here to be wonderful. The culture is so rich, and I've enjoyed every single moment of it. And for those that don't know, Christ the Redeemer is also on the new list of 7 wonders of the world. Now, I've been lucky enough to visit a few: the Colosseum in Italy, Machu Picchu in Peru, Petra, and now I get to check this Jesus Christ statue off my list.
Só acho que um ou foi dois, eu finalizei no final. Tudo direitinho, emitindo os papéis.
Crazy busy.
É?
Ready to go.
Vira pra trás, pega pra frente. Isso aí tá juntando com essa aqui.
Aí, quer ver se eu achei ele aqui.
Well worth the trip. I enjoyed myself. Now it's time to go. I want to go up there. I'm gonna go look for a helicopter. Let me see it from the sky. I'm ready. I'm ready, ready, ready.
André,
It's 1,400 in this one, credit card.
Meu nome é André, sobre o volto, né? Só um instantinho. Vai voltar só um instantinho, vou passar pra pessoa aqui, sabe?
Where are you from? Canada. Sitting here patiently waiting for my helicopter to arrive, I decided to see Jesus and Rio from the air as if I were a bird, soaring through the clouds.
Captain Phillips waiting for you there, okay?
Wonderful.
Have a nice flight.
Am I allowed to fly it a little bit?
No, unfortunately. Have a nice flight.
All right, thank you, my friend. Had to try. Maybe if I slip the pilot a few bucks.
dar um abraço.
Listo? Let's go.